Hello, I'm Maruk Said, your microbiology guide. Let's explore in-depth micro techniques and uncover groundbreaking insight together on this educational journey into the fascinating realms of microbes.
Water Distiller explained. Table of Contents. Introduction. Principle. Parts. Types. Water Distiller. Operating procedure. Applications. Advantages. Limitations. Precautions. Water Distiller examples. Introduction to water distillers. A water distiller is a specialized device used to produce contaminant-free water by converting water into vapor and then condensing it back into liquid form. It mimics the Earth's natural filtration cycle to generate highly pure water. During evaporation, impurities such as germs, heavy metals, and arsenic are left behind as they cannot vaporize with the water. These contaminants remain in the boiling chamber when the water transitions from liquid to gas. The distiller then cools the steam and condenses it into mineral-free, purified water. Distilled water is used in various fields, including fermentation processes, the medical industry, clinics, and organic chemistry laboratories. It is also commonly used in autoclaves, batteries, and a variety of equipment that requires mineral-free water. While the terms distilled and deionized water are often used interchangeably, there are significant differences in the types of pollutants they remove. A water distillation system can eliminate non-volatile organic compounds, most minerals, various chemicals, and charged ions. A clean and well-maintained water distiller can remove over 95% of minerals, including salts, sulfates, nitrates, and arsenic. Biological contaminants like bacteria, viruses, and cysts are also effectively removed during the distillation process. Due to high operational costs and the slow production rate, water distillers are generally used for producing smaller quantities of water, suitable for drinking and cooking. For larger volumes of treated water, a reverse osmosis system is usually more efficient and practical. If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated. Principle of water distiller. The main mechanisms behind water distillers are evaporation and condensation. Thermal energy is applied to liquid water, causing it to convert into vapor. As water vaporizes, its molecules separate from other dissolved or mixed substances. The resulting water vapor is directed through a cooled condenser, where it transforms back into liquid form. The condensed, purified water is then collected in a separate storage tank. Unlike regular running water, distilled water is nearly free of impurities and possesses exceptionally clean qualities. Parts of a water distiller. Vapor generator / boiling tank. Small volume water distillers are typically made of glass, while larger machines are constructed from stainless steel and coated with copper, tin, or titanium. This component stores the water to be distilled. Water level gauge. Used to monitor and regulate the amount of water inside the vapor generator. It helps track how much water has evaporated as the liquid level in the boiling tank drops. Control valve. A mechanical or electromechanical device that manages the flow of water into the vapor generator tank. Immersion resistors. generate heat when electric current passes through them. These are sealed with ceramic covers and protected by a metal plate from external exposure. Refrigerator water outlet. A cooling line used to condense the water vapor during the distillation process. Condenser. Cools the vapor, converting it back into liquid by removing thermal energy. Forced convection, by circulating cool fluids like air or water around the vapor flow line, accelerates this process. Filter. Activated carbon filters, usually placed near the condenser or at the exit point of the collector, remove any remaining particles or unpleasant flavors from the condensed vapor. Distilled water container. The container where the final distilled water is collected. To prevent ionic contamination, distilled water is stored in specific plastic containers made from polytetrafluoroethylene, polyethylene, or polypropylene. If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated. Types of water distillers. Water distillers are available in manual or automatic system configurations. Manual distiller system produces only 1 gallon of water at a time, requires manual refilling after each gallon is produced to begin distilling the next batch. Its capacity is defined by the amount of water it can generate per hour. Typically, uses 1 gallon-sized glass or plastic collection jars. Automatic distiller system, connected directly to a water pipe for continuous water production. Uses electronics or float valves to stop operation when the holding tank reaches a set level. Capacity is defined by daily water output. Can store between 3 to 25 liters of water in a stainless steel reservoir. Water distillers are also categorized based on their usage locations, including plumbing distillers, integrated into a home or facility's plumbing system. Considered a cost-effective water distillation option. Requires maintenance, such as removing accumulated sediments from the boiling chamber. Household distillers. Includes single-effect distillers suitable for placement on a kitchen counter or in an office. Designed for small-scale use with easy setup. Allows users to manually add the required amount of water for distillation, collection, and filtration. Commercial distillers. Utilize multiple effect distillation systems. Offer a wide daily output capacity, ranging from 75 gallons up to millions of gallons. Equipped with multiple boiling chambers to produce large volumes of distilled water. Water distiller operating procedure. The water distiller is first plugged into a power source and turned on after filling the boiling chamber with water. As the water reaches its boiling point, it begins to evaporate, turning into steam. The rising steam leaves behind bacteria, fluorides, and other harmful contaminants in the boiling chamber. The stainless steel condenser cools the steam and condenses it back into liquid form. An activated carbon filter removes remaining pollutants from the condensed water through adsorption. The purified water exits the distiller and is collected in a clean container for use. Applications of water distiller. Distilled water supports electrical conductivity in lead-acid batteries and is ideal for diluting car radiator coolant. In continuous positive airway pressure machines, used for treating sleep apnea, Distilled water is added to the humidification chamber to prevent mineral deposits and bacterial growth. Niti pots, used to flush nasal passages, rely on distilled water to ensure a sterile and safe environment, helping relieve sinus congestion. Common household uses include ironing, to prevent mineral scale buildup, aquariums, car washing, and general appliance cleaning. Distilled water is widely used in medical and scientific industries for maintaining experimental accuracy and sterile conditions. It is also used in hydroponic systems to ensure clean, mineral-free water for plant growth. Advantages of water distiller. Water distillers eliminate up to 99% of harmful contaminants from impure water, including fluoride, lead, bacteria, and more. They offer health benefits such as improving skin appearance, enhancing mental clarity, and relieving headaches. Compared to other filtration methods like deionization and reverse osmosis, water distillers are easier and quicker to install. Limitations of water distiller. Electricity is required for operation, as heat energy is generated through electric current. The removal of all minerals and contaminants can result in bland-tasting water due to loss of natural flavor. Water distillation is a slow process, making it time-consuming compared to other purification methods. It is not energy efficient, as it increases overall energy consumption costs. Precautions. Ensure a reliable electricity supply for uninterrupted operation. Continuous supervision is necessary to maintain a steady flow of cooling water, prevent the boiling flask from running dry. Some systems offer automatic protection. Avoid overfilling the receiver. Regularly check for inorganic deposits and perform descaling of the boiling chamber, especially important in areas with hard water. Inspect all glassware for any cracks before use. Conduct routine inspections to ensure the system remains leak-proof. During operation, allow a small overflow of water to prevent boiler drainage during both boiling and collection phases. If the overheating signal activates, identify the root cause before restarting the distiller. Perform regular cleaning to maintain optimal efficiency and long-term performance of the distiller. Water distiller examples. WDST series, entirely constructed from high-grade stainless steel, features large water output, efficient cooling, and a coil-type condenser. Recycles cooling water back into the evaporation barrel to conserve water. Equipped with a drain valve to flush concentrated water and reduce fouling. Uses a copper immersion heating tube for high thermal efficiency and long life. A1104 includes an electronic leak detection system with a solenoid valve, features easy-to-access evaporator and condenser tanks for quick maintenance. Condenser is easily replaceable, comes with automatic evaporator level control, allows visual monitoring of distillate level via a glass level tube on the front panel. Puridest PD series removes impurities from low-quality raw water and effectively destroys bacteria and microorganisms. User-friendly operation, ultra-pure water can be obtained with the press of a button. Designed to operate without requiring technical expertise and places minimal demand on raw water supply. WS400, microprocessor controlled, can be bench or wall mounted. delivers 4 or 8 liters per hour of ultra-pure, pyrogen-free water. High purity ensured through silica-sheathed heating elements and borosilicate glass construction for both boiler and condenser. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button. Thank you!